Is this really happening? When the Amiga first came out, I bought the first one in Edmonton. I took a bank loan out for $3,000. This little device from China for $98 is going to do this. Oh boy. I can't believe 20 minutes into the future indeed. I haven't even tried this out. This is the first time. This just works. I'm blown away. And Commodore, if you're watching, make one of these portable 64 hashtag #nuff said. If you can make the SX64 into a portable after I bought your 64 Ultimate, shut up and take my money. This is what I want. A little flip out keyboard. Oh, I just revealed too much, Go look at what China's making now. The Nintendo. Oh, Thor. No, I said too much. Yeah, if you make a retro game device with a keyboard, RIM Canada. Don't know if this is going to work or not, but I'm excited. Just saying, I love where the direction of retro gaming is going, and that's why I buy all the silly toys. That one day the market will correct itself. SYS 64738.